Hi Sam. I'm glad to see you again. Today we're learning the word
Kompromiss.
Hi Alex.
Kompromiss.
What does that mean?
It means compromise. It's mostly used in contexts where two sides agree to make concessions. But be careful, it's a false friend with compromise in English, which can sometimes have a more negative connotation.
Oh, interesting. So, can you tell me more about its usage?
Sure.
Kompromiss.
Is a masculine noun, so it uses the article.
Der.
Its plural form is
Kompromisse.
So I would say,
Der Kompromiss.
for the singular.
exactly. In the present tense, you might say,
Ich mache einen Kompromiss.
meaning I make a compromise. In the past tense, you could say,
Ich machte einen Kompromiss.
or use the perfect.
Ich habe einen Kompromiss gemacht.
Got it. And what about the imperative form?
You would say,
Mach einen Kompromiss.
which means make a compromise.
That's really clear. Where does this word come from?
It comes from the Latin word,
Kompromissum.
which means mutual promise. The meaning has stayed quite similar over time, focusing on agreement and mutual concessions.
That's fascinating. It's cool how words evolve.
Now, let's break down.
Kompromiss.
The root is
Promiss.
derived from,
Promettere.
meaning to promise. The prefix
Kom.
indicates together or mutual. So, it's like a mutual promise.
Oh, I see how that works.
Let's talk about similar words. For instance, with the same prefix,
Kom. Kommission.
means commission, and
Komplex.
means complex. Then there's the suffix,
ISS.
used in words like
Tennis.
and,
Praktikant.
intern.
That's helpful.
Another example is
Kompromissbereit.
meaning ready to compromise. It showcases a compound pattern where the last noun
Bereit.
is crucial for the gender hint.
Can you give me some real-life situations where I might use
Kompromiss.
Absolutely. For example, during a negotiation at work, you could say,
Wir müssen einen Kompromiss finden.
Meaning we need to find a compromise.
Wir müssen einen Kompromiss finden.
Great! Another situation could be with friends deciding on a restaurant. You might say,
Lass uns einen Kompromiss machen.
or let's make a compromise.
Lass uns einen Kompromiss machen.
Perfect. Lastly, if you're discussing plans with family, you might say,
Wir sollten einen Kompromiss eingehen.
meaning we should make a compromise.
Wir sollten einen Kompromiss eingehen.
Now, let's think about the gender of.
Kompromiss.
Since it's masculine, words like
ISS.
often signal masculine nouns in German.
So, I should remember that ending.
Yes. And picture a handshake when you think of,
Kompromiss.
since it represents agreement.
Are there any specific phrases I should know?
Definitely. You might hear,
Einen Kompromiss erzielen.
meaning to reach a compromise, or
Kompromisse eingehen.
meaning to make compromises.
I see.
Just be careful not to confuse it with,
Kompromittieren.
which means to compromise in a scandalous way.
Can you give me a few example sentences?
Sure. For example,
Wir haben einen Kompromiss gefunden.
meaning we found a compromise. Or,
Macht oft Kompromisse.
which means he often makes compromises.
That's useful.
Another one is,
Wir haben gestern einen Kompromiss erzielt.
meaning we reached a compromise yesterday.
Got it.
Let's do a quick recall. What does
Kompromiss.
mean?
It means compromise.
Correct. What's the plural form?
Kompromisse.
Right again. How do you say, I make a compromise?
Ich mache einen Kompromiss.
Perfect. Give me the past tense form.
Ich machte einen Kompromiss.
Excellent. Last question, what's a common phrase with?
Kompromiss.
Einen Kompromiss finden.
Exactly. You did great. So, to summarize, today we learned about
Kompromiss.
which means compromise. Remember its usage in negotiations and discussions. Keep practicing those phrases, and you'll get even more comfortable.
Thanks, Alex. I really enjoyed this lesson.
I'm glad to hear that. See you next time.